Hey, welcome back to Cycle Fab. I'm Larry. In today's video, I will be powder coating the front forks and getting them installed on the bike, getting the forks together first, obviously. And if I have time, which I believe that I will be installing the front fender. Now, the reason why I'm putting this big ass fender on there is so I can come back and mark it, cut it down how I want it. If you remember in a previous video, this is the translucent copper that I did over a chrome fender, and it came out really nice, really nice. If you want to check out that video, I'll put a link down in the description below. Really good video. Anyway, thanks for joining me here on Cycle Fab. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell too while you're at it, so you know when my next videos are coming out. Now let's go ahead and get started on this project. Okay, the first thing we're going to do is bead bless these guys with aluminum oxide. Really rough up that surface so the powder coat sticks really, really well. Okay, these forks came out just like I wanted them to, that real dull, matte aluminum look. I love this powder. I love the way it turns out. It's really easy to run. By the way, it's bioprismatic, polished aluminum bioprismatic. And the matte clear coat that's over it's also bioprismatic. Now, aluminum powder, pretty much any of the metallics, they do not hold up to the UV rays. So any metallic that you use, you're going to have to put some type of clear coat protectant over it that is, UV resistant. Now, since I got these done, I'm going to go ahead and get the wheels on the frame and see what my stance looks like, see how the colors look and everything. And while I'm at it, I'm going to go ahead and put the sprocket and the disc on the wheels. Now, I want to go ahead and powder coat these also so I can kind of get my color scheme going in my head, what I'm looking at and what the color of the frame is going to look like compared to the fender and the tank and so on and so forth. At least the colors that I'm looking at inside my mind. And we're going to put the fender on. I want to get that lined out and hopefully get it cut the way I want it. Anyway, we'll see about that. So let's get going on that. Hey guys, thanks for joining me here at CycleFab this week. This bike came out much better than what I expected as far as the geometry is concerned on it. Me lengthening this tail section down here, the swing arm, it really changed a lot. And if you want to go back to my earlier videos, I'll have a playlist listed over here somewhere, and you can pick up where I left off at when I started building this thing. And anyway, it sits up high. That's what I wanted it to do. I wanted to get some ground clearance in here. I am too big for this motorcycle. I weigh around 250, 260 pounds, and I stand just right at 6 foot. So 550cc bike is a little, too much on the light side for me, but that's okay. I'm going to ride it anyway. So me on top of it looks kind of weird. Somebody normal size, this bike would fit just perfect. And it really comes out to the eye better. I don't know if you're able to pick it up there on camera on the other side of the lens, but on this side, the lines are awesome on this thing. So anyway, hey, thanks for joining me. I will be back next weekend, promise. I had to take some time off, do some chores, vacation, had a birthday and all that good heart stuff that went along with that. So anyway, again, thanks for joining me. And everything that I used here, I'll have some stuff down in the descriptions below. The links to my diffusers for the Eastwood powder coat gun and also the Harbor Freight will be down below. I manufacture those here in this shop. And you can go and look at my powder coat videos. I've got several, many. And anyway, they'll take you to those links also. And you can get one if you want one. But anyway, this bike is popping along really good. As you can see, I'm using orange. So orange will be, in and out throughout the whole color scheme of this bike, along with aluminum. I really love the aluminum powder. Polished aluminum bioprismatic powders. That stuff is sweet. And when you put the matte clear coat on it, it really makes it pop, makes it look factory. So I'll be using a lot more of that also. And anyway, I will see you guys next weekend. Thanks for dropping by, and have a good week now. Bye.